You are welcome to this lecture. I'll be using this lecture to show you how to pick the 7 keywords that you can use whenever you publish your book on Amazon. Amazon gives you the opportunity to use 7 keywords. Online searchers at Amazon will be able to discover your book, access your book whenever they search out for books that are related to the theme of your book. Now, you need to do this very carefully because it can go a long way to determine the success or the failure of your book on Amazon. Now, let us assume I'll be using this lecture to show you how you can use the Google search bar to carry out these researches. Now, let us assume I'm trying to publish a book on how to publish a book online. Now, go to the Google search bar and start my research with this keyword: publish a book. Just a keyword that is relevant. Then search, carry out your searches. Then you can go down this results page. You can go down to the bottom of that result page. You will see searches related to publish a book, to the keywords that you searched earlier on. Now, these are relevant long tail keywords that you can use whenever you publish your book on Amazon. So what I do is that I will copy them out and then paste on a notepad and keep them there. Now, the second thing I do with this results page is that I come up and look at this other section of the results page where you have people also ask. You can see important questions that people have asked on Google to find out books that are related or information that are related to the theme of your book. These are also very good long tail keywords. You can copy out this and also add them to the ones you copied out earlier on. Now, what I do again is that I look at the article titles from the website and blogs that were thrown up on this search results page. Now, you can see so many article titles: 4 ways to publish a book, how to self-publish your book through Amazon. So you can also pick relevant keywords from here. So what I do is that out of the 7 keywords that I'm going to use on Amazon, I try to use 2 keywords from my researches on Google for my publication on Amazon. How I pick the remaining 5 keywords, I'm going to show you in the next lecture. I'll be expecting you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.